My husband and I are massively into juicing right now. I love making my own ginger shots at home. I make them in big batches, keep them in the fridge, and in the morning we just grab them and go. And I was sent these plastic juice bottles for my review, and honestly, they could not have come at the more perfect time. So these ones here are 5 ounces, which is fantastic. I'm so used to the smaller 2-ounce ones. So I probably won't be doing the ginger shots with these ones because that is a lot of ginger, but I love making little like carrot and celery juices as well. So having something like this, just fresh juice in here is so nice. This comes in a box of 36. So there are 36 of them. They're all nice and individually wrapped. You also get some cleaning brushes because of course these are reusable. So that is fantastic. So you can use that brush and get right down in there. It also comes with a funnel, which is really great because sometimes these are hard to fill up. Although look how nice and wide that mouth is, which is really nice. Sometimes they're just really, really tiny. So these are also supposed to be leak proof. So we're actually going to test that out with just some water. So I just grabbed a cup with some water. I'm going to go ahead and use my funnel to make my life nice and easy. And of course I poured it too much. That is definitely my fault. I was not paying attention. All right, so that has nothing to do with the bottle. That is all me. So let's go ahead and make sure that this is actually on properly. And then, so I heard a nice click. So there's a bit of water here on the side. That was from my spill, but let's see. Nothing dripping out. That is fantastic. So if you are into making your own juices and are tired of those tiny little 2 ounces, got to get yourself one of these ones, 36, 5 ounces.